na ki arache koba ase studio no torenere Aaron Ototo Nyingiri kurwa ase getasene kya Getembe TV abigo sama miyenda kurwa Getembe FM bado ntogenda te komoganya Dennis Orioki karaike igegatunya koba togo sangana kubwatrana ase obomoto asere live ase mu mitandao ito Facebook na YouTube na bogo sangana into abwe namba ito esiminwera ase screen tobwatrane ase ayo bunabo tambe tiganda bari bagabagani bane baranyara ko bago kwani manyari ogiria bana bara komanyanga ki eiki yabo yaberchak na Aaron
mbia bana Clinton eliogiro lindira change ndiriri yetandira change na siasa ya Kenya kwa yoje siasa lindi wana ro na tota bentar ko nyirigera yani koranga anye toka tabanga one day is a lot of time with politics what about a week a week ko bana na side wana kana mangaro kuligereri
karibu sana na yesa mnapogo
nanche kieningira chencha yogingira chencha actually ne bintu ndi bikonya guchenchirira ngo chenchirire lakini nane lieta nsam yenda tigan sokiri mu gusianda sia sura sembra ko bayabona tobo tabinga karibu sana singenche gusangama na intu naragari Clinton kwako kasana kero kwari gwatara matokeo Arsenal
ningonga tore
no Arsenal lakini I want to also to assure you our Man we are also happy it's a matter of time we are winning. Yes.
Sego sori abo mwanchu murigeri kwani kyobutko bwarero no bomaine ga gusamwa tebira seno ya nyoro bubwi ase ego sori bane kego kiere tikatora so ase nkwana ya itobono yo kurigeria which way Raila kiritote wa which way Raila iga bange nkobori barenga kurubono ni meteno ne abana inchi na boiga bara ibande bage siasa ne bani inwa barari nkogendra muri kubori ngase ngenchomete mwako yonkore Arsenal goika na maskani ya bwata bange bate banga bono onyara ko baka gotumoka nando esokyo tabanga risasi bado kwa mzee iko imebaki moja nande hiyo risasi moja ikitoka nande chinkumanchiro nande nga erwe ko tairenga wa Kenya wakimpe nafasi bamwanchire na bago chikogendra bona so kurigeria na soko chakra chinkwana cheito what do you predict Aaron unayo murari wa mangana igage siasa gochibosio mheshimiwa Raila Odinga which way
nje egento kegendete Kongo kina Raila was very interesting na Raila ngelinga Raila over the center of politics ya Kenya for almost 27 years now and every time abantu bako write off na lia kocho agosokie kadi ende ngao timati sako kacha kadi njia lakini agosokie kadi ende ngao mnabona iga I think if there was a time Kenya yalinge kwa sababu Kenya bali confused politically mbono iga ande bako confused gwetera so muntu yomo uyo goruguraira Amolo Odinga the enemies kwa sababu bisabaye mbali shuanga ngiraira taitokora abasani baye mbali shuanga ngiraira taitokora na wale neutral na barubu mboma itingia taitokora bono itisagesi ngemu ngaki Raila ninki ara kore next. But the Mego churching him from the statements that he made yesterday, Alishin Semucha Manzoni Machakos, Raila will shock many people.
Tetora jasore sama unarunia teire of course abantu banarire ko bashock ni chinkwana cha agochorwa kero ko rigere sabari na bono siasa una chicken te unarunia teba in politics is too long which way do we expect to mwako lia achikwene kemero beria yo reba siasa uchipos.
So my own opinion as siasa chumara Raila Amolo Odinga Raila Odinga has been the longest serving opposition leader to Atware and then Naro Chariba Kulikanga is the longest serving president who never was like ago admitting achikura chukata ata gwete in 2002 icharo support Murai Mwai Kibaki lakini wacholi obonde obwire lakini taraba declared. So according to Ere, only if he goes by the word that he wins but Tanya Kabade declared, then he thinks like he's relevant come 2027. Raila has been doing handshakes. Actually, Muntata akrote na handshake no mga Kenyatta. If he had an opportunity, could have also done a handshake na. Lakini yusako ligere likurumoi agaicha karango mga kwa evono nkurita yago being enda nambo atisi. Techie tukoba buna yago ntakoba ago cha Kibaki techie tukoba ochira se mo Uhuru Kenyatta techie tukoba but you are now having William Ruto ege tukako garanda ka banta bangi they don't know the way Raila Odinga rengereti neringa chi handshake chiae you can predict the time that he comes for a handshake igago cha chinza chiria maitenga oyoro already ngosokare igategete favor yae but yochire a time when we expect William Ruto achikoboria asetam ya kabere. So that's where now the confusion comes. Eka kole kikyo kubwatara no mara ibwense William Ruto. Oyure first time ya or you obviously we expect that paka bolia setamu yakabire intention kiechabwate ngi kiagerete akagenda se William Ruto okay from if indeed you wanted the support ya AU because you must be kerokuboli kerokia AU we cover supported by the government of the day and we get some sponsorship ya mo sponsor ba call so is it Raila Odinga is he now just paying back to William Ruto for being generous aso como support kerogeki was intentions kiechabwata igarach como support majority of the Kenyans whether they are in opposition whether nabantu ba ODM whether Kenya Kwanza whether DAP kero monto Raila Odinga no ni garo monto despite the fact nabwate enemies chair politically and abantu mbarbata mwakire kura but at the end of the day is relevant to everyone. I do remember when we had a handshake ya Uhuru Kenyatta abantu bakaika paka bali batari kumwakire kura iro brai bakubonye ki bono muno buguma bwa kongirega ngaira Raila Odinga ale paka abantu bakirite government bakunga ngaira Raila Odinga ale igamanyika nito no monto gete oko push the government and people have really made him like they believe in him ngaiga ko push the government kere bintu bisarigete what am I push so when he crosses the other side kero monto including bali ba kirito murai bense Dr. William Ruto paka bali ba kuminga lende nguko cha goto teberanga ingento gete ya sareke so is relevant as a long serving opposition leader of which if today we were voting the opposition leader Raila Odinga could get 100% even 101% including his name anyore chikureji esengencho we have seen what he has done he has been in politics and still is the center stage. I want to repeat something I said last week. Raila Odinga asabonaiga for me I validate a statement ya omo yorengo mokonyi bumuraibense oyokurunga neregate gashagwanga Raila Odinga igare buna oxygen gocha so muraibense and if indeed because numbers chiria loosely maybe abantu barbatara mwanchira nabo no bugima boko ngatega they believe that is ne messia na ndeci promise yakuru chinyinga tanye ko ikirani igongo mondora achiko ticho mugoria it's Raila Odinga
na ebintombire bitatu kuligereri samu kwandenga Raila mostly ni ajite ko join government eri ko chikosoka nje sometimes ngomo chinde ko differ because ekara ko kuligereri circumstances chance picho ko join kwa Raila sechi serikali ya chance and I think last time ndo kwa ndeteke from my point of view Raila muna mwanasiasa ndeba ntiniga kuligereri nga what is it that is in for me as a government of the day whether it is going out or staying put for example karo Raila joineti omoske Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi niga mo joineti under the sense that konya ekatipenye ya Rosi 1992 iyo aliko tabanga a president nge kubolista mubere chioka so Raila was Daniel Moi was moving out ngoso kalingi kuru siasa ngolitaya lingi kuru siasa bono intention ya Raila ya lingi ki ese ekara kuligereri team ya bantu bonsi bali balenge kwamira na Raila gose the likeliest president ngo chikoba the third president of the Republic of Kenya niga alenge between Kenneth Matiba oyuko nyobeire style gitega kubugatikana mona amanda mana jwa kole gata bande batanga gusine umise gusine agetu gusine gosibu gose trauma ibintu mnebyo na Mwai Kibaki arafteni number 3 niga alenge muntu ku Raila Amolo Odinga so there's no way Raila ngocha go move from number 3 third favorite at number 1 so Raila had to jump ship koru number I think I better number 4 that time if I'm not wrong agachambwa agachoini omoske Daniel Moi intention yake renga Moi ngosokali na Moi on promise na kwa secretary general na secretary general is a power of position in party oro Raila was like igai probability na ro Moi dia go chikosoka na bara tebenga Raila Odinga tigandige Raila Odinga of which pakifired ikarakia pakifired ogo choini kwa ego soku nganya kwa kuru ODM na goswana Kenya na go support omoske Mwai Kibaki agreement ya linga Mwai Kibaki was going to be a president for one term Mwai Kibaki talinga like rie mu ya engo lenge engo tabanga talinga like ri koboli bo president 2007 igo na ndira ira gasoa ganga tigatobe ko muga koyoga nande diriko nyono no injury sometimes out no end out sinchele ngonga na bara bini capacitated in many ways because of the accident ya bete anyorete ono ikinakirike kabika Raila gake sabunga tigoyo na bako ende tamwe yemo nigara agende buja kubwana mbabo nyachawe nyiba ingoboli babo Uhuru Kenyatta baingo ya long term then come 2008 ali marriage ya bete forced by circumstances in that post election ne violence nera Raila believes singa Nairobi robo president Kibaki obere sworn in botuko So what next? Raila na bayi ngoja kutakira babo William Ruto.
Yes, William Ruto.
Insisting anje president. Ndo ndinga ndeka kaba nsi ya Ivory Coast Asani Ouattara na Rolo Bagipo. Asani Ouattara minute akatabanga ninje president. At the end of the day Rolo Bagipo na abwate tu akairu ICC oli akabe president. So the same could have happened in Kenya. Raila ngoja go insisting
nje na abwa chukure chiga.
Lakini akake sabunga after all this man is going for the last term. Nande Kofi Annan Ochire na panel of eminent persons bachire batabire ngaki ya bwatira nigende ke grand coalition government but already interest ni rangaki na grand coalition umuntu goje close to power ni nje. You remember that time kwenye Karonza Saire team ya Were vice president. So come 2013 Raila Obwiru nande. As between 2013 na 2017 Raila was very sure nga Uhuru go ikaende go defend Kiruge Kiai. So there's no way alengocho in Uhuru whatsoever between that time. Because now I think at igaro I have no chance. When we got 2017 then nande sabu yeli ga chama nga ki mburo yongo sokali. So ngise ko muchuni profit ya nenero and then to his advantage ikatoka kwenye difference charo kana between Uhuru Kenyatta na William Ruto. So akanyora ngaga akabakangaro and then akanyora assurance ya outgoing president ngango musupport ya bona akaba more assured. Raila has never been more assured of the support of the sitting president or outgoing president as it was in 2002.
Being advantage that the president, Uhuru Kenyatta, was coming from central.
Yeah.
I don't know my thing for the longest time possible, Raila Odinga has missed the central votes. Wana karenga nganda kigago so na Uhuru Kenyatta na nyoza.
Iga it was assured. Na kiko oisikote kama te na uto kwenye na statement ya skema shari karata tenga. Akajikota irahira ngaga magosa nara. Raila kamutabiga aiga no ndo jenga bona Kenya. So that is what happened. Now here it comes a time when Raila is between the rock and a hard place. In that, abantu bali expected yarta from politics. Abantu bali bakumosukuma pada boli. Tonyo le last bullet jarata. Tima tibona ko tineri kinaga bara modu. No, here is a confusion era. Israel telling from politics kale serikali usina nagenda another term. So more confusion from the statement Jabat Medikoro, specifically Masana Tabi County Muranga, almost Gejo Nyutu. Umutinga Raila, I guess all Moina, so that Naruto, Togo benefit. Asora benefit in Jukasha Gonaranga go support. So meaning some can be a Gashago in a way, part of the Alpanking on Raila Odinga, because in a way, in one or the other Baradinga, there's no way, there's no way. The only option bara Rusi William Ruto obviously no support Raila Odinga. Well, no. In a grada already tangane some my opening remarks in a key a confusion error. Raila a confusion ya Basani, a confusion ya Bairi, a confusion ya Babisa, a confusion Kenya.
No mwere siri sabari no kotebengo mwako yo obeire yako paso strategic as chiplans cha choko korean se kino kubwata na serikali but tucha kina Sam, do you think this was a strategic number one okore handshake tete so unique as ngeyo handshake chance cha bere chikoba at the second term but igaya achira the first term kera achira the first term kurwa korete signing no mheshimiwa William Ruto obere ga kuruchi nkwana gete chire kind of contradicting lakini rende kerachi bago te bayo kuruma ko uterera nware mali ago te banga mogo te Ruto must go then what
happened
mogo te banga to asira serikali to asira cross because it's true Sha is not working asa nje to expect mondasa asa serikali no support ya jana ya serikali na kwa solution kwa president yako kwa na te banga mirimo hiyo abduction hii ndata chisire Ruto must go then it was it strategic.
So again, teve kuringana na kwa mbori na Raila we have predicted and the interest ya gutwara kirako na ne handshake. Again tukera more confusion ne handshake ya. Lakini rende at some point you can see like oyo kurkwanga nere Raila Odinga igache tenga ki arkubori kirukia EU. Majority of us we just said maybe anda kana bora nyorenga umugaka Raila Odinga igata ete kuritaya kurusiasa cha Kenya in a honorable way. Retire Ngubwiru and retire and parking. But the AUC onye dia Kenyora, at least we could have seen the exit of Raila Odinga, which as a siasa cha Kenya. Aba nainde kara stepped down as a leader of ODM. In fact, before Ataranda Kubono Negro, you could tell the country there's a time achete silent aka concentrate mono konya gotara chinse. People felt the weight and the absence of Raila Odinga. That's why when we were talking about the issue nga Raila Odinga Obwiru AUC, more Kenyans were happy than ba feeling about Oluziri in a good way. Iko ba feeling Oluziri mbiya mono because we need this guy back at home. He is 8 years, but Raila Odinga is a Pan-Africanist. Raila Odinga, whichever the way, whether he has won or not any election, you can tell how he has been pushing the government of the day. Bon, again, to get correct confusion, because he's talking about the reception he got can tell you many Kenyans were frustrated to join the government because Njira joined ni njiragete arenge in a very funny way ujoini yote bringa baono tutete kokora okobwatana na UDA tari Kenya Kwanza UDA. You see, this is the marriage between na benga baono Kenya Kwanza gebwate nebwato abana nebwate abantu abange lakini ochiro koro kubwatana ni chama ya moyoko. Why didn't we see the other political parties cheering within Kenya Kwanza tuanga okoro kubwata na Kenya Kwanza? That's why twarakoranga igachete na intention singia chiko kubwata si serikali ya Kenya Kwanza, not ya serikali ya UDA, lakini bakakoro kubwata na between ODM and UDA. So that's why we are confused. Why are you doing okubwata na UDA not Kenya Kwanza? Because it is the government of the day. So was it sincere that he was working with Kenya Kwanza gosega work with UDA with a plan? Risasi matekera litu kumtwara risasi.
Nakitawata banga, was it a strategy was it better forced by circumstances or what? Asengenjo kerago soa signed but keraga ndazo kuruchinkwa na you can feeling umonto nebo swete serikali. This something was out of a push at you either ne kiama was circumstances or what?
Two things. Litangani nda ira na maiga kese dwene samwa tabanga aba Kenya mbali ba tinga ira no muntu ngo ba depend yoka sometimes tugeweke literally mangana mupira mna ira go ken go liga trauma pia. It's not a crime for a goalkeeper go say defender go say midfielder go weke kwa nyansi goal. Because ego linja kani so sometimes na bara ira ka lenga na ro defend ya Kenya chinza jeke vera kwanyo sana ne oni goal
Maguire
on the issue Raila signed the pact between ODM na UDA ikenenga ndokere straightforward ngaki ikangera ne kiama kia UDA no kolibia maybe on civil Kenya Kwanza. It started with ANC and then gaite bia mambire kwa bia ra mera mera ruma bia go to the public ni ni sina kijia jindo kwa bringa kikaru kia vile kia fold officially it's part of UDA. So the moment bia maybe ndebia ngoba involved the same party korkinga intention era ngaki pado bia maybe pado meta itoka independence but the UDA kia taito ko to message strong ngaki ndo to namna UDA. So we have requested bia maybe before the to join na UDA was everything. So if you are not ready to join UDA as a party, then UDA muturu ya chile rende ya chile go sign pact na UDA. So ayenga yogo tigara rende karota go tigara nga na be in one way or the other ngoro nyo ndinga changire tano na almost ke musar mdadi Western quitting ya ANC egereta ajikoboli gunga inga kyotikalete ANC nyoro cho ODM ya chile bakali ya ulibono ODM ngo irere bona musar mdadi kan stand pride nini proud ya tabanga ki indumuna UDA no era iro chile matira musar mdadi bona ga kwa namna UDA there's nothing era kwa nga westani UDA igore statement ya Raila anda takomeka Raila is the same person Raila igento kara most atari kuogera kuno ane seme kutano ne linga Raila akoligererie wave y'abantu bali bari ground
agosome mood
nabagosome mood ay kwanya kora Raila gosome statement ese public forum ngiyadero gosome statement ngiyadero go jirali gete statement ya state ya dangangi asa ogiri sakara some so it means no muntu ko ligererie chindo ligererie abantu ngi ground ngi bale umanya ko bokwana na kalengana kile pata ite and that is the nature of politics.
And then again Clinton
nanjire tura genda se omotimo ko ase studio agabe to gochana to ko chakra na ende tonere bakanere Dennis Oriki ase ngenjo kirendre ase chi studio ntuma itinere na kiara chiko kwandra engane ga yesabari iyo mheshimiwa Oyega Raila Odinga tura nda ase studio ya kabero omotimo ko makego mwanchu mugera toskara kure na toreto nyanko batoko enda
Watire eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingia kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiria chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriria gatigati gwikari guri ria bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora gwikirano tutarire rero eribwe nyorere abamanyi na bwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduka yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchuyi gobusongo eyuerangene eduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera ase chinamba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Say your last prayer, Edna.
Siyo kuna mwanamke na roho mbaya kama mama.
Tunakuomba. Are you crazy? You slapped me and I will slap you again. Mwah. Now listen to me. I'll shoot. Drop your weapon.
Get Zuku Satellite today full kit at Kenya shillings 2,000.
Enyorere Zuku Satellite rero. Eyubwate sigine tabwate scratch. Gura decoder amone dish asachi shilingi chiri wibere chimi kenda na mirongo kenda na kenda chuka. Usena buku gura decoder yuka asachi shilingi eliwe yemo chimi kenda na mirongo kenda na kenda. Wigo nabo okwego kene package ya busa umutinyo yomo yani free premium package. Asamange nabo kutalira eduka ya Sungusia Electronics sinsamo chake birigo kuse Mark Ovale Skymax Supermarket imeyumuchulia Onyamira. Wigo nabo kutalira Gelsol imeya Masimba Plaza na Wigo Aleno eyuirangi na daraja imeyumuchu Bosongo. Asamange ake simigwetera sechi namba 0205200025 gose 0703010000. Zuku, life got better.
Shah Ceramics ni gubago kwa a special offer. Bono iga asachi tile au nokugora. Chikaton emeronge toto nigo kwa growth kilo isato bosa. Kukura chikaton meronge tano nigo kwa kilo isano na isato bosa. Kukura chikaton emerongo etano ne tato nigo kwa kilo emerongo ebere bosa otarigwa kanera kende. Size endonse. Niko okoegwa eye asichi brand bego chinde chonspe chi wall tile kitairi chance na boigo chi tile chia 40 by 40 kose 60 by 60 samange ba kresimese number 0703943972 ajirago cha aseduka ya bere Kansons Plaza angana Quick Mart Kisi opposite Mucha Place.
HK International Medical Center ninye gitari nene ya chirenkuma imemu chobosongo yugo tumeka chimashini chinkongo ansukumureka amarwire ao nago kwa ubugwenia wetera asi amaryogo arosirie kurwa asemete nigo bakubwenia amarwire buna esukari ogwaka igoro kwa manyinga gose high blood pressure, arthritis, cancer, Chinyigo imichando y'ikinguru cy'abagaka ubugomba gati ya yande amange
inche no munyagitari clinic Maubanye omo director bwa nyagitari tukoroka HK International Medical Center erega yugo muchito bosongo na inde ni gonta getoko bariga ni mono sana na kubatebinga ni gotogo va services chiekerero tugotumia ubobwenia bwekerero e technology yo koligererio mugero omugima na inde twarigereria ngambi mo kibiri byasero twaro mo chanda twakwa mariogo na marioga yetu ni gotunya ruseti ase chinse chesko ao na inde ni gare habo ayuto kurusi ase chinse buna bono kurustura marioga asense ya Hong Kong eyeri ni China na marioga inde ni goto kurusi asense ya Malaysia ayande kurustura asense ya Spain na ayande ni goto kurusi asense ya California Los Angeles California in USA marioga inde nare to kurusi asomo chyo India na ayande ni goto kunyarusi asense ya South Africa ayana ara marioga kunyara gusibia umuchando yikoru asomo bero na inde nonya ni gokuru umwaka 2011 twabere tukubweni abantu abange nande nigare habo tabwatia ni side effect yara kolentere kyagera na yemete igo karibu sana asenye gitari yetu ya HK International Medical Center
nabo okubanyora ase enamba 0717617383 HK International Medical Center inchuo onyole obugwenia
Mwancho murigeria karibu sana naenda se ensemega ya kabere muruberio bwe ege karoto go gwakira mbya mana soko yandra go sangana intwe ase studio Denis Orioki HSC onyara koba kago ikirana go sangana intwe ase nkwanega haya obotko bware ronyura twachika go tebinga sense mu mitando tuchika go toko yandra korigeria mabori ago abego bari bago tumachi ujumbe ase namba itu simi era ase screen yago tuchika go toko chirigeria ase weme karibu sana Denis tuari go sanga igoro yenkwana yo korigeria ngaki umweshimiwa rero burayi bwa siasa ko chibosino bako mokwani mwanchu murigeria irine nayo rwenkwana yago yo batabanga nao which way mwako
biamono Clinton ase libagana ende ikarokia lero pola se balimo go toligereria soko nyorwake shughuli nechi nyinge weekend ne ntambe emerobene menga yaba wiki ebuna yaera liboli elire which way Raila Odinga I think siasa no enere totanya korra mbono togoja kanyara mwako liabono igaba encyclopedia ya history ya ito ya Africa na amanye ebinto miramanye tutaramanya ochenchirie political landscape so far no mugano nabwatetie aske mashari yaro kwanalia okoranga ebinto mbire binge bamanyete totamanyeti nkaligere linonye ominyogete moina na bwate merobeli haye there is something yamanyete totamanyeti truth be told but again I tend to look at muguno monto in as much as here siasa bandongo tabarenga siasa gwaka imepitwa na wakati lakini ende ko koligere ende kwa majikoranga nere na bwate obomanyibu ayegete totamanyeti we can only give him time to ligere linki go out of this there's a lot that was ongoing na rolling gazette yale ko tebalinga ekiki agareta agacha anga military jaire tobo kambi which is a concern namba ibere onse koligere mono chi agenda jirichi yalenge 10 point agenda onse ko jirigere mono ekara tobo kwano bomaene echiko kuna omwananji common mwananji ngorokana chire chiko kuna Gen Z chiko kuna living standards ebintombere bitaiko koragasi bono igo koranga it was a concern ase abakenya akaranga the best thing yara akore liga complain mono na na manje tenga kebinto biko korwa na kabwa the experience yoko tware handshake ne chi handshake je abuna chi abere chigocha inasmaja zitaiko konya bakenya bonsi nse monere chigo konya you never know with experience yabwa the yoko tware handshake na barai na bora nyole change ge yakoba muina na muina just for the sake of omolembo yako tebanga military irete serikali weteka gotanga gosenga chabule koira engakieria na bakenya mbatwalete birenge nakashagwa lende no nyakashagwa gocha rolie gente kirikakena basuri no ngobe ona ya chenjiri kiture kindiki oro equally no mbono Kenyans imbara machikutwara confidence nyinge na kiture kindiki ekeraba na inchi bago tebanga Ruto must go tikabali geriri beyond okogenda kwa Ruto bararenga what next procedure nereli ekarako gende deputy yana rekabo in case deputy yaete yongo nendo gocha perhaps ne speaker wetangu ekarata iyo I think ne chief justice abanda bonsi yipi you end up ogokerire kwa mayakaranga a better option take from the look of things no regla na baka rolenga onde takayo le muyamono ko boyoro because already if ya sale byako bile from his own ote ya so ya singencha banda babaje nzimbaramanya egendondo truth be told mwaka ke karanje teke teniki yaye na baroche ke tumwe manga ngumbu paka maega totaroche
kirimo taroche it's true ya ne katika sensemo ya manzo itukutura takara chinkwane cha singencho na manga kwane tu because when scanner the issues about voter register ne kwenta go civic omwako nate batuna sama chikote otoko chakomro bwe karongo mheshimiwa rena tata sichukura chance echiarere monyene agocha kogenda nacho neba ne karichinga cyacho kwa chira kwa maetenga ichiro jina bwetu genuinely echiaringe tu ichine chance oberera kubwa atari konyora ko rari gwatika turategarra chinkwana cha sense meyo asamatanga ya mane ketikwa sense mori ya manzoni.
Uchaguzi ambao imekuwa naitwa free and fair tangu tulete hii mfumo wa siasa yenye vyama vingi ni 2002. Hiyo peke yake. Hizi zingine zote unajua SK mwambie nyinyi. SK mwambie nyinyi. Kwa hivyo mimi usimwambie mimi nataka mimi nishinde. Mimi sashinda mara mingi. Sijatangazwa tu. Mimi najua mwaka juzi tulikuwa nasema fungeni saba. Sisi fungeni saba. Maana tulikuwa najua ndani ya saba kuna ukweli. Walifungua. Lakini muhimu ni kwamba Kenya ni mkubwa kushinda sisi zote. Haja ya kusema Raila asimame na 27 kama 27 hiyo Kenya itafika pale kama imechomeka. Kenyans need to live between now and 2027. Ndio sababu tukaweka ile nini mkataba, tumeweka 10-point agenda. Na hiyo 10-point agenda sio usalata. Wewe unataka tufanye namna gani? Kama kuna njia nyingine, unasema Ruto aende. Aende alafu nani ifanyike? Hizi kupiga siasa miaka 5 yote mfululizo. Nchi haiwezi kuendelea mbele. Maana yake mkiweka nchi katika hali ya campaign, kelele mingi zaidi. Kuna kazi inafanyika. Mpaka kuwe na wakati ambaye kazi inafanywa. Sisi tunajua wakati hili ya kampeni ikifika, hiyo wote wanaume jitokeza. Sio lazima Raila simame. Raila vile anaweza kukaa nyumbani. Umesema Raila ni mzee sana. Sio unasema Raila ni mzee sana.
Wewe uno mwanchumo ligalia chinkwana icho chene gatuke because buna batebire gaiga what happened yesterday say omoyogo yiga bwa matanga sent a lot of mixed reactions which are say supporters abananchi naboyiko gatia baraibande ne bana bari bare ngorro omoyogo yiga norenge at the center tikatu chakana na ndingwa bwa te point gete yare gokuruma chi point bine chikumo shimorera kwana tware gokwana nga ichire strategic na way trochinada serikali metai yakamono lakini rende nera na chitena interest chae na gase ni guchipush
bona egento nara goteba ototo nateba ganga Raila confused ya bairi wasani timaitino nefa mama ida usana kama ite kigenderete lakini rende igakuruma okay is trying in a way kuligerera mwananchi na bado kale serikali orochi sha is not working, there is abductions okundi ya serikali umanya gocho batenga ki bona ruta acha endrende ngikebe. So I think the ogoso kwa serikali I think in a way it feels like no correct solution to the ongoing problems that we are having as Kenyans. Enamba ya kabiri na aba kurende mbaso ase CS aba yo babombadi treasury sijui mwingine yo kurende mangana wase let me say Joho Oparanya and na bande basoire mase serikali babo chi attorney general and whatever. Well, no, it is what you might go changa ki if indeed they went to the government correct a unity mwananchi to bring those regions back represent in the government and if they came to offer solutions, how far have they done? Maybe. So Raila Odinga igagenda kunya ko it's a strategic move. Agenda kunya ko kwa kireko ko kubwatana kwa because ando siasa ko chineno muraibense ako barethera magendo na ando mainyuringa kiyaya ukubwatana gutua retire no gwo konyo mwananchi. It's all about mwananchi koreto bomo because na hata bete goronga hii inchi ngenda kukikuwa na moto kibono in that community nga umoto yole ngocha koba ogocha kwa ya serikali ye. That strategic move he made, it came because igata ete kwa offer solution or uyo moto usikwe yani arete so like nakinda te bana arete li cheap arete botwere instead to are umurero ra ke gosenje military ere gosino borai igache to offer solution so that we don't end up as Kenyans ochia sarabe where some other African countries they have ended to.
Aso ran nkiro beke nkwana ya gasenga nchobono neba sabara ibari ngasomo igo imbaro bange to matayunga neba kurwa sense mende atuja give up na wewe bado neba kwa collect the signing neba kwa ngete koira in our grievances bado ntoko kaneti this side. What do you think going forward? Maybe unense moya gashagwa mo senator ulio muranga na hata bitenga gashagwa bado na tayari kokoko boko which way kuchiposiba na sumo mheshimiwa Raila
na ege ntaka tanga ni to koligereje karo Dennis na kwa negoro ya military na samo kwa ni military in fact ni ere na buga na ya naga ntojebeke on recording talinga military ni alitu power military nje to my understanding military is the power because the moment almost get and do assigned a document you know say that not joke with the military did call it I think it was on 2050
midnight evening
it called the budget parliament the military na so it was signed being a military as okay na ndega mambia ikandika kwa parliament kabaratified it was legal you can imagine akara military bali baso gata bai godero baso okay what were the orders onyendinde genisiba push harder then it means obviously me that ever got na bango na no mukwa mtiko tena ngata ki igo murato recognizing na otole kono atene seti ya ta kamera jones mo ngocha abo linge bo murabali na baise ke igo moro chinga nje no so that would have happened maybe but then ka tukolinga which way Raila a human being is meant to choose a lesser evil all the time. Then sinakuwa na ganga karo koligera lyo nyoranga ya irakie goika Raila na isako supporting Ruto asoke Raila asteya gocha kwa pia na presidents taiyo pia ni tokenda paka number 17 temeto number 17 ya goika irakie ya leadership ese Kenya asteya goika tabenga ki bono nye bako bora pi leader of opposition ya chabe president nowhere abona babo kitu kibabo yonde bako baba president babo osoro bako osoro na badri bako maite kobe president yo iko kiria bonzo ko gerwa ko osoro Raila asteya kwa pia bako na wasko jona ni speaker ya county assembly rachi kutoka kobe president so what does that tell you Raila bona kwa kisabo tanga ki peta abadi nandi is what they doing to push na bako chibata batanga ki abadali nandike tukenengere ekaro kuligereri mona agreements chia Raila na serikali nda tebenga this time okonya muri no muntu okonya ko mutebinga tali gokora muntu kosine nyunda ingwagera nya kubukuride nyunda kotenga bono kora muno tagete yakora kwantebe iri mara mangoro jina yogero che bono kore I think sometimes tumne ngwa pendikira Raila na erenga chi serikali chia sina ba ka murangelinga ki umugaga kogera muno ikaransaga egwateba ngasha ne bwato muchando ikaransa
enyunde
na akira nishaye so what next except to ajira rende nayo akakani nyunde yu oja tanga ki onye ntakonya kwa kakani asini ini kona nge nyombe tago ke wano kwa kwa namba temfa ule tumo smali yoto sa tumo takiri ko so lakini nje na temete kubwate
ngwa beke toka bako
that is Raila nande Raila story ya Raila etoko muto I think the generation to come is one abana bana bare included they'll miss Raila they'll miss Raila in their politics. I don't think to Raila on the Kenya
biamono Clinton inkira kini totage ta serikali change totage karoli litoko taka koboli change totage
baga Ruto must go
to agency oborai truth be told oboge mabwa kongira number 1 since Kibaki abantu ngoma ke referencing koru Kibaki arweto borai na liye bintu byanse to kosaleka we are forgetting nga Uhuru na arenga na yara 10 years iga It was during Uhuru's tenure tuwakaneta madeni baka ya Golden Bag. Tukakana madeni ya mange kweli kweli. Madeni enagendete wakanu. Actually most of those loans mbono chia kuru ili chi interest na binto bi wakanwa. Tukoligerelia the economies of scale inkiota kwa priority tuwanyoranga lideni lia China nditakeria kanu. Ebinto lideni lia kolete kose loan ya kolete ntobirochi. But oinse koligeria mwananchi no opposition yo imono na igujimi wanjiga gotebanga serikali entonyi imukitonya Raila no wana ra konya because ya madeni arawakanwa wage bill gere igoro engaki akibaki alenga ntu about the county government ntu about the members of parliament ba alenga this March ntu about the senate ntu about ministers batali members of parliament bona abantu aba ba mentira bange sana county executive jiabeiro ekekiye gerenke etakeire panuliwe yani bekiwe benene mono
isa nabantu bo
eyu emine tinga omwana inji na Roma the source of the cake was bono go ka contribute mono tax go ike akwe ebe nyinge ekeke mai ko benene take care of county government take care of ballooning wage bill kero monda da ide ko liku I can tell you for free omondo even in the private sector tata ge ko private sector da ide ko liku P&P so far ndo bwata bali mu bali close to 70,000 something which is has never happened ekalo tota ita kota popo maina aseboli but the truth is obogima bwao bunomo na inchi it is because of jiloni chile chiwaka na binto bindo bigwakanwa bigo tabia complicate matters. Raila Odinga was number one complainant about ya serikali itotinga ebinto bikoro kuma mafuta ya gari imeenda juu mboga imeenda juu ebinto byonzi byachire korebo akatebanga mafuta yechigale bono tigambeke minister yano byo wandanya kae winaji
keya maguta bono
omonto mangana ya tax tigambeke yoni mbadi omonto wana because they were complaining bakae wa treasury yeyu ngilia tigaleke West of Fund Asala Fund na abantu ba complaining egenteke
mining hoja
those are three critical areas no mining amangana yo ya migodi na binto binde bayirwe egenteke serikali from the look of things ya karoten rete treasury ogatena mafuta transport and other things energy yo karonye tenete ikono bwate getali say ya 20% ya serikali still no bwate voice in the National Assembly no bwate abantu bao Parliament House Business Committee eliye go prioritize yama chi agenda no begeta abantu bao tuamanya koranga the story remains the same. Then there must be something wrong, not with the president, but even within ourselves, the system. Perhaps one of our major challenges here is even our county government. Emeshara yekoliye we menge kubwa development yakokorwa. Oizokole counties ntotagere ko tuware ndoko kunga cottage industries. And that is the mandate ya counties. Koligere gitali na chichire health igere devolved. Angen 90% of health igere devolved inside. Lakini koligere linki bakolire bado sindo bwato bakongbolinga bali yokota hiyo. Remember counties ingo sangereje bango. Ba declare. But into bwato on revenue avenues chine cheigoirwe chibese chibe chinyinge ekekiye banuli wewe nene. So in as much as soko beke blame igorali as a president na Raila bono ka so ira serikali individually even our county governments because I see some governors bakale ko complain what have they done with the little banya already because the government is also struggling. We have had a dependency levels chi abere chi nene sana paka private sector ba abere ba go chabotambe bono USAID yaje te ka close to 70 billion ekasoka na chirochi in the Ministry of Health a budget imbale konyebeka gozi bale komanya private sector ngoje yashughulika ekare kikiachire is another wake up call to the government bono gojimotu truth be told na liyo bogocha kokongo bonane mono Jimmy Wanjigi atebaiga serikali no watu wale konya Raila bado ngomo zinya yalenge on the plans na abajenzi ngomo zinya yalenge we can now sit and agree ngakitora chart the way forward beyond Raila and the president to answer cover part of the solutions. My concern has been to beyond all our problems to go to candidate here. Number two, very importantly, okoranga gusi tuamwire nga igente ko president na botota gete Matiang'i fever igere ya chire very high. I expected Raila ogererwe kara agenda Matanga. Was it Murang'a?
Mansoni.
Matanga na arenge Kiambu. I expected ogererwe, but he stood agateba nje na chire Ruto na chire ko Ruto ondiget. Meaning there's a problem. Na Raila appeared to be the solution. Akamwoja na yangu atakete serikali nkonyengo because ya azire
na Clinton, I want to remind Raila Odinga contributed chinyundo irenga chia naji chia treasury na chinyundo chinde chiabo
bake mesumali
bono bairwe mesumali parliament. They are now taking over the budget committee and they remember the PAC, the public accounts committee na investment bado na chibakorete na chibabwate bono Ruto irunga bono ekekwari kugina ayo choko kerekieke omere from the national government na ndipo Castilla raria mpaka bunge
on the same carbon toko genda bono ngo support dance yori kesa kwandika iganga aba Kenya ni tubende kuligereri executive to manyanga ngitutaite akaro ngo imagine bono iganga tamani kuligereri Ruto na imagine nga what if ngimukeli tukeli monyore mugaga tato yole Bishop Nicodemus nyaingiri ototo obere president most probably injinichi advisor yae yani yuti moja kwa imo ndo anelia rai no njemune advisor ya mugaka Nicodemus nyaingiri ototo obere president ya Kenya ingingo motebia kore do I have that as an answer 90% jaba Kenya mbabuga ti solution yeyo muna njenta buga ti yo mobo oni go boli muntu gotabanga amaguta akinira jire ligoro omuntu nakomaki bono ngakiuro chiruta gokora kama maguta yake ligori we don't have an answer etoko murutira ngiko sinero boli ti president igo takokora ni njeri yakonya
nero tu ate chikura
na ninga jite kukotia gatabu gete na igete gosoma tima itiko sinaga kukotia kwa kana igete kubugata lakini ninga jite gosoma tabu mo na tali serious yani goetera getabu ngerekeligire na amatuma ngikotinde sana omo Ethiopia korwa matuma gekorunga the story of the prison monger and other stories asanara kwanta katabanga great expectations make frustrated men.
Yes.
Yeah. Yani ko semeli kore igoro goetanite birengo niko kukubatika muchandigete mukumitinga nkike mbongkio ngamotenga sometimes to go ikatwa stretch or a human being is made go stretch which ko yikorambali bintu bire igoro uhebanga nabwo ate bintu bire jindika tigima bigotonya atakerete bire igoro arambalo chigoro ebibekire gotonya so why don't you look at it in that way then nande baba songo kamegotanga ki sometimes into bwate perception ngaki the glass is half empty was half full depending on ngakiko kerigereri ono ngakitogo chache serikali na ani ngitotagete then what if happened to Kelimanyanga Clinton bonaye economic advisor ya President William Ruto what will you do? What will I do?
It is, let me say it is Clinton, it is on the same bread and spirit that Ruto won the presidency. Omanyate karotota ya dama yana 2022 campaign echiarenge premised on serious promises chiarenge kachi you know chingansu
heaven
mama mboga I can guarantee you border nobody had a very good message kune yuruta it could resonate so well paka the numbers the grace yikialenga yabanda bafire tinga twanyoro mondo goto yes okaro maana bokwanire message yalenge so catchy timely. You know what we call the kairos persuasion language area Aristotle got to make it was so persuading to about the pathos ethos the numbers were coming out messaging ya lengengia igare ko tebanga mama mboga ekerate nira ase jiro
awa mama mboga
awa vijana wa boda manyaya boda bodole oko iwe message nayo kokwana rukono yasoa tutawapatia bilioni 200 omongino ikunga mama mboga tutakutengenezea soko na tukakupatie kalonde pesa yase laiko I can guarantee you no clear message yalenge gocha goetani yo because omonto oleko kuno na kunetu omonto oleko korako sene biashara bia na kunetu akatanko ware alone the rubber bono ya umire road ya meet the road when push comes to shove ebintu bono bya change it is not inga na wabyarenge bono it is an ideal situation no to ikira lirio tu alenge nga yali no tutaite gochi enjira toko ga no nere abantu toko na baroboro na bwaba lakini bya ikira kumbe sivyo inzali ebintu ebire tofauti and that is the reality. Number 2, truth be told, Matiang'i of course is our darling wana kurugusi a message mbuyere bana inchi mbaroje nga around ye tumeonekaniwa obo maana mbolinga Matiang'i has also been a minister in that same government no ya alenge regime eliende obo maana mbolinga we shouldn't expect so much ebe Matiang'i ogoja ebe kosene change yegoja nonye chilondi tobuwate nturakora nonye abantu taligete because tobuwate abantu wage bill yakogenda billions into billions kero mwaka if that is the same trend parliament yebwata bajumbe more than 350 senate nebwate go fuel go se go facilitate those offices is a lot of money for the first time now judge was chairman to parliament around 7 billion extra chairman. What can 7 billion do? Nyamira county government, I think yakonyora less than 7 billion. 5 point. Oh no, part of Chibasa county ya more chiachire parliament. Nende obo maana karabo kwano bunge nero wage bill ge chiete igoro. Magando kitoko kora bunge. Not so much. Kosento bugato bole moto simeke bituma parliament. There is a lot of challenges within the system nende kare reality echete. The likes of Momoima and the other people tikabage inga tikato tu areji senator nonye 12 chiri present ko se regions to araba jumbe at most 100 to cut wage bill no county governments to chipunguze paka chitigare the regions to akatwa 8 wage bill yeye provinces wage bill yeke ebe cut into size to my go to are ceiling abantu bakolikwa in the government enamba abantu bakoli meshare actually in most countries that developed government jobs in chitake inchiko ba attractive abantu aba enjoy doing business outside here abantu abakwana to private sector lakini wono tobu atenge ndoko high dependency levels jire asa mananchi especially kwa serikali naona ya soko Clinton truth be told ekaroko yungo bwari munkoli kubole kotamanda bakote anga permanent imbiande piko seninki kaibo that one tells you expectations here the other side even the civil servants bali ba colleague asi baikira sabakote banga nchitiganda ikamanda ba permanent manya koranga kingwa sort because ramanyete tenya yoko to coronero so ekaroto taete go charge the way forward buya abaraya bata ete kasonga soke go se president Ruto soke na anjelie telio tigabanse ko totebinga ngakibago cha go cut wage bill ngakibago cha korosia uchumi yabengia to better ngakibago cha make sure nga county governments tianyore funding is 450 billion or even more na litoranse ko konye ke ko to cha the way forward
to cha sore sama na rege ko ntebinga egento to mention riga about I think many points Mheshimiwa Raila na timu yake bali ko criticize back then unatoa mention ngega Mheshimiwa William Ruto was so strategic akabatue kabirobyo that's what rio gimono because onye kero kwandanga high taxation okay mbadi ogore gagwe kwandaga nara watabanga maybe to silence that na kile to Mheshimiwa William Ruto akabatuka those critical positions no nyase bunge roda kwa ndrama onchoria but yatura cha sore sambona asengencho to ataire Mheshimiwa Raila are unpredictable going forward ahead of 2027 na maybe ubora ibore ko chibosio what do we expect 2027 support Mheshimiwa William Ruto Nairobi kora chiko tena mbama that in your own life the only time watch ko mora iwense no kwanja kasha kwa support 2027 what do you think ago chiko kora
so igere kabere Raila Odinga lazima it's either body timai tuna linachi ko tabunga utata mangana ya marisasi mbona ya tegere limo mbona ya tegere nusu we don't know ndire ya tegere mbona na kinago taberinga maybe we never know bona bara chine kunede we don't know lakini bona ebinto options ya bwata nivere option number 1 ne yokoboli na bara chikotenina which bona ntoma itinga ikoro kulingana nenkwana tabetenga tari lazima no Raila Odinga kore atenini so if ta gotenina it means nga we ka support I support you Montogete. I worry. He is a kingmaker. He will either be on the ballot or support you Montogete. Well, no. Those are the two outcomes that we expect from Umoske Raila Odinga. When you come to the issue of Gachagua again tabet so soft never Raila Odinga go cross to the other side. Neseng enjel na kwalite gente kana tigankirulere. Rigathi Gachagua igaro chenga chikuranchire kuru Mount Kenya a contributed koreta among chikura chiri umurai bwensabwate William Ruto. Wona igaro chenga chikure chuna asogete na bamaine pia korete asogete na chi. When he calculates Raila Odinga uyorenge number 2 igabwate 6.9. Wona ranga chikure china rusiri moina. Echinka na rusiri cha Mount Kenya moina. In fact imotweke nkaigo momente umungwana na bakoreki na bakwira. In mind that he wants to punish President William Ruto using Raila Odinga. No nere na baro chinga ama NP. The only person no mwasanali yore. Mundu narora atebanga gakitwara konyora Aland P. Ekombe ke Premier League baka tware koira. Kwarore. Bone gapri. Bona Rigathi Gachagua igaro chinga ama NP yare kunyare kana Raila Odinga aiche with the same votes ya bwatenga kiri. Na chitaba same but na bwate wait ye chikura. Aisa wocha iga yani moment na oboka kurunyeri na kurwande iga ama NP na bare go super na bare go wetani William Ruto oyo omusogete kurwase government. So there is a time when politicians behave in fact to punish other politicians. Unaona you can tell the Mount Kenya punish the Uhuru Kenyatta. Kwa sababu alikuwa anawaambia that is a punishment. Wakaranga tikabale the yellow fever. Aba jumbe balia bali go support chama ya Jubilee. Bakasibi kuna the yellow fever all over. Abantu bari bakire tuchikura ne bamba bwa track record ya magendero lakini because you are UDA yani yaringi it's the issue of UDA. Bakatweku in the name of punishing William Ruto. So Rigathi Gachagua what he is having in mind and that's why he doesn't look consideration mona baba Kalonzo Musyoka baba Eugene Wamalwa. Na might the weight yo mugaka Raila Odinga and that's why arochenga ama ene arigocha to the other side amotweke chirinke igona ba chabo Jeremiah Kioni na Martha Karua na bandege. In fact igako be president to punish Dr. William Ruto.
Asorano ninga kiro chiko chibosio asenge nchoneva karaba arigo sign that pact ari KCC from the Gachagua side na banta abande bag echetu of course immediately but kerova ikago chigate bakaranga natoka ya chiku we might not get what we want without this person na kitoro chenga baga ndata konya komo taibado nga we need you na kiro chiko chibosio mheshimiwa Raila nachiko baga ta idoni ya full who does not change his mind
general ko banga for example na ngo chako bata privileged position yoko banga ngo bana inge president the last person I'll bank on ni agorukwa Rigathi Gachagua. Rigathi Gachagua ngendo ngira bantu bari bakanda sinyombeje cyoko aga kwa boligera lime bina nagiye bako ngendo bako gechesa.
Eta yuta.
Rigathi ari chesa bona because politically Rigathi Gachagua politically is even more confused than any politician to bata Kenya because number one Rigathi Gachagua oyo tabirenga ngoso kyali kyama kiae otabirenga serikali era basiko chikomo
kugesa
ngire kyama kiae ndi ara serikali taiyo igoje etaje ko ingire kyamege number 2 Rigathi Gachagua is not even sure ko sengo cyari kubori kero kendi kyo stari kubori because Rigathi Gachagua aganyite na mukanyo ndi banzinga inkie ko tira chetebe igoro ya impeachment yae na presidency erenga umuntu abere impeached tari bwanjire kubori kero kyo elective position most probably onyo akere tuchikura na bantu tubate umuntu bate muske Mike Songo na netri bagafe na ndwete tu I think Gachagua might face that scenario. Again, tokende Gachagua yo amotoko kwana. Gachagua was in government half a term. William Ruto. Of course, ningo tabale ngana kata mire ko Ruto mata ta kore 1 2 3. Lakini yaro monyene ekara lengo ekara kata ta kore 1 2 3. Gachagua expected kogendra. I think mpaka bona ganga Rigathi Gachagua no ale serikali. Nki atakiri ko kole serikali because taranjira nga baka bona gata deputy president ata itati kare ko deputy president ngi kata get ko gendra ko serikali yeye URMP bona abu na ya Rigathi Gachagua otoko cho mundo ko Raila Amolo Odinga. My prediction is Raila most probably mundo ndi bwenzi ko face yo mundo ko William Ruto 2027 we kaje ni agenda ekorunga change muna dan zori jata banga ki nje amainga usen change to nyingi lakini nyugo taite change there is no agenda or already in 2027 as the other Kenya wetani change because ndobuka the status quo na incumbency iyo randa William Ruto njirete ora chiko rusiruto obatebi gose ngendo ngere kwa chiko kolege tanga ikengao ora e priority gwetani go change no ko rusiruto yonere change ndebi ngaki go chiko tebi asa ni jo ore minister SCS ya mining achiko tinatebe ngaruto ntomutageti muno president yotusinyire umubori ngaki muna ruto nago tangete ko mine anya ko kali ko mine tima sinki kali ko mine ayo chiko te imbadi chiko tebi gose para nyango ruto nago teto bekra bakanyestima for example so Raila finds Museveni na kwa position n'abantu bae gochiko wenda against William Ruto. So my prediction is Raila Odinga as abantu bali gochiko ba the first in line to support William Ruto in a re-election. Raila Odinga. And Raila Odinga is going to take credit but they are no ki onye ntadonate abantu bana gochise Ruto it could have been worse. Wana abantu bana whatever mo arole kerekia asa serikali yiga musike William Ruto it's me. Na hande bana ko ba ninje nande bana kutorko endera kubwatira nayo chimotua bana kuchikomengde kumwana ena abange side expatriates ya abange bana bakor kunga experts ba barko kuchinde kwa ruda muna moko mochore ka nande mon moko murani obisi kuma mentande banta abange randa baja bali mpatika diska abanga ba oje na mente tata ndi atata ndo bali kota ngana mo chari ko saba der zuriyo ki
naga ndo
como menta so yare in a way I predicting Raila Odinga nairo gochikoba the first in line gotabanga let us watch Ruto amalise.
And of course we expect onye nadiko gego chikoba implemented fully ekero ibirogo mbira gwibinda bange bagotabanga na bara chiko
mandi nadiko report ya ronne gento nobody should repang on because kene gento kere snap of a finger no njira bas ko walk into any court any court iga no manu na ngusiga egento kere na bonda ene nsabe nga again they get the ninga by permanent work in a kill. You can't imagine how long it can make a baka kekoba determined.
Tikatocha already ni siasa ngincha semi mitandao yako kwa very go kulika sana about the projects inside 2027 nga Kalonzo is one project ya Gachagua gari Mheshimiwa Matiang'i is one project ya Uhuru Kenyatta and what now asengenjo Raila obekira bantu na no kwa situation mna arone atawire will Ruto become a project ya Mheshimiwa Raila Raila goja kwa independent na ndaira abo ulike 2027
bia wono Clinton bia gazo byandi sana utota garara kwa but tiganga nseke ngotebanga politics is local Raila osoire serikali the local village ya Raila nkia koteba abana baito basoire serikali Opiyo Wandayi John Mbadi you know PS ya interior noere you know okosoa kwa Raila serikali abantu mbale ba benefit that is the local politics ya Robon more are willing kosoa serikali oetere avenue ya Raila that is a win to Raila's backyard to some extent ogo chagusi bagusi baitotali abaga yachiri na Raila asekende wangire ko support Matiang'i number 1 abaga danga Raila ntu ko support okayo chief minister ko seni sano toto ejino anayemo it's all about interest local politics Ogonda Coast because Coast has been supporting Raila akarutekero you've not had Coast ge kuoga ge complain jo hago ndo batebinga mimi nimeingia serikali na hii serikali niko na William Ruto baya wewe okoenda Turkana moino enzena betegere tashukuru no bali ogocha gusi to some extent kwa makonyora maliogi na aro make ngantura nyora kende my question nelinga twale konyarende obo minister obo boinse ko chalende no nyebwale ko chakose something kiale ko chalende serikali
gototereli
gesoe oinyolenga Raila konyatara asaini gentonse lakini akara ewa ne good willing akara bwata chiminister ya tomanya kokwana
security guarantee
na bora nyone ibinga sabe bora jo sabe ta minister ikomi agateba ngabona rende akara bwata ya batana aba toraro legende ngo saini ole bono ga saini na bara ewe binde the truth is gochimotua Raila is trying iga temire go kanya maliogi nende na he understands this terrain iga go kiria bantu ko runyomba no ene mo gusira tabete ngo kwabusa ko runyomba go chisiko tali siko gocha yani ogo support ya bantu bali barange naye eliogi na liri go kanyeka bachire so far ora abusa busire go chiabo bantu baranya banyolere bintu expectations wanonchiro ogo chagusi ntobwata matumaini olia Timothy Bosire mheshimiwa Timothy Bosire ngakina ra etwe kerogali bo chairman wa NTSA agakana dirisa ini ngina moroje karo tita etikorengere gotani abu lakini ndene linga nere bwanjira ni signing yebono neche moi kerogekene na maberera ina kanye confusion bona yabeire abantu bando ba pikiri attitude yokurunga wait and see tora ajero base go salie genteke karakiranga. A good example mogabano itokisi county oira ngara so support majeng truth be told okanyire sana okanyekire tabu achi speed nera gatwalira matiange bone nze etegeret no nyene fever eli yakeire naroje bikolike tabi biko etane chibana chama nyamira sizable number elite not a representation yo muguzi bali balengali ne shoembe mbakolete gento kali kyalengense sana mbage so kitu the mainstream media ngomuguzi na ba obwato bwanja ni asemati yange borobo sinni abaguzi 11 abaguzi bali nabakazana. Number 2 go koligere 2027 from the look of things Raila is decided wasoire gentege bono na liale imemono eliako kana ngatali nche na chiete na chiretu siasa erega ekero koligigwa na liokoroka no bwate value enene lakini bweire igogo devalue yourself siasa okoyume president janga agretesimi bono rolio who expected to call the other Raila ago tanga na keretwesimi president yandangeire. Nobody in this country including Kalonzo ragerwesi mine president yaba time na bagonyo yake ndongera anagora abakiringa goragira so the truth is opportunities chira serikali na bachiko gara bantu beire go chioro not even babole ngotika kata iko time getimie. Number 2 Kalonzo Rigiji they are now confused. They have known they lose it. Again take they have lost it big time. Nende baikire into a reality answer ko bakanga haja tuwaka getera irango kirale tatangaza usaga ndemo inali they have lost it. Naboro chenga bado esegine ronga bono lenda magwache tabu karaira na goche aira na maga goraki ababone serikali yabonto nyiligere ko opposition ya what they can be able to do. Again to kende o mintato ototo ateba Rigiji northern less the Supreme Court ya muangire tebenga na abete impeached rightfully is as good as an ordinary ballot because bono confusion here around and serikali there's a way ko work mutiga nere ara tuaro possible bwoko bolia because gewe ka 2027 onyolenga Kalonzo na ata ketena bwato batengo bolia Rigiji bado court teramo banko bolia na bantu bande matiangi no bale the bigger the number the better for the establishment.
That's it. Twabere tukosanga amange na bwigo we expect us ngenjobuna mwateba mheshimiwa Raila Odinga ase siasa chia Kenya tokumu wrap out ande buna aronateba nebanekera bana baba chako kina they really miss him ase siasa chia again rete koene kia we expect a lot ko chiposio lakini rende buna Dennis atebrenga you can read it from now 2027 ni kama baba wasoira serikali na bara chiko tabange serikali na ndinye eli baga rinda as we wait the other side baga ndako robo ya senge nchoneba nimekutana tu alipara ya Kalonzo Gachagua Abaramo squeezy baro ya moyo wameanza kupiga hesabu kwa chibosi barenga kie kwa kwenda soko kora tikatu chake na hesabu na bokuru enkwana yago yo mwerio asari tu asangire obotko bware ra soko chikokora
togokora rende togotebaiga Nchenkwana yane, according to what I'm seeing with the Kenyan politics, it's a new wake-up call. Nga wana siasa chia Kenya na ande chia tuwa motindo mwao. Keroro chibabo Kalonzo wa chagiro taro ya moyo they have feel mbamaite wait yoko tuwa mwaka Raila Odinga. Mbamanyete nga Azimio now if there's a time now Azimio is seriously dead. Yeah, on a deadbed, I think it's heading to the grave. Mbono kwa sababu neba tuwabata Azimio tuwabate vyame vyabo Jubilee tuwabate Wiper tuwabate DAP nebinde but at the end of the day ODM nero ya urete tomo chango manene gocha se chama gocha somo mubwa Azimio bona karbako ruo abandi go bago tigara buna chintakana esenga nchonga their biggest share in terms of even finances kwa sababu I think in that coalitions and ODM gets a bigger share. That is such that it means no facilitation chief into video korekana ngokonya yalenge so they have felt the weight. So we are expecting a lot. Wali tukelima siasa it is like a whole year in terms of politics, kwa sababu anything can happen. So still we are in nturamanya no na gotelinga no mama ida tima yose na maide kerengeri kya Raila Odinga, kwa sababu igachira the time that everyone is not predicting much as aba minto bate banga no are serikali me nje na hata mako imagine what if waike gari acha bate mate na mpaka na reta chinyundo bake misumari, but at the end of the day it didn't work, lakini na achire na manyire bisero na tora work. Can he still be relevant yate banga bono I'm the one who now comes, it is even possible. So banga we expect a lot, we are expecting more on in terms of this politics of this country, from the national level even to the county level, because what happens in the national, but at the end of the day, affect here counties. The counties.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Nje ngore ngikuru nsema yane ndatebe nga siasa is enjoyable. N'abantu bagana bali umupira abandi buna aba America bali baseball kero muntu nabwatege mu yawe enjoy asa abantu banjide siasa ya Kenya bona kana lyo muntu wenjoy karana baga gwali no ngore ngikerese no ene karo news yego ikomonda ataliko okobiseli moto oli yete siasa ota mo ta Rusi channel because politics is getting interested ichata enda reta mangana fa na sine binto minde intolerance geteiga ana ikintu kyo mo lingelinga eki agasege kya mo ske Fred Matiang'i muna kya kwani na wanta bange nalenga ase umaiga geteiga ba matanga chinsa mo chege susu umuske professor Samungeri na tabatenga na wam isa korekana ngange persana nere kiaga sekengero lakini ndi bodi ne bodi tili monelinga kero kunyora before 2022 elections amo sike Muisa Kitui nalenge omo secretary general kagete kiama gekorukunga UNECTAD as United Nations UNECTAD yeah bono omo sike Muisa Kitui alitaine mapema sana katango bole kero kwa president akaenda na Kenya bono I'm trying to imagine egasi yo musike Fred Matiang'i akabwate ye musibete to the point that inga wikagusina tanya ya ere gusiko keke gusiko close to elections ya maego cha kwende himself on the ground nerelie yiga how powerful position yeyere so maybe as mtumuna bara ito ko konya na samu na inuga ndubanda ku researching again position yeye how powerful ere
no ladies knows
how powerful is this position to the extent that inga no liberera liro abantu favor nero abantu mbaigwete ngamatingi tinrate benga ne ken nindo lakini maybe this position ya mog ya galire agando kwa na pro through proxies ya kwa kira usensa mwesi mutenga no ndegeti say no live no ndegeti yaro no ndegeti lakini mo pataka tayo ngana bata ebi ni chemba tayo binje bweka so we need to understand these things how influential a position ya bwatere and then na bora nyorenga politically there is something yeko ba from era ko gwe announce bono iga na bora mo raina ro ya mo konti mati ko seno tim ko munyira bye ko tingo nya ko kwa na lieta ka tindi shwa ko snere otebenga almost ke Fred Matiang'i na sign to some political amnesty gete didi chinga kinjiro matara minyo kana tinda serikali ga marago sesi idea ro kalibu ai ko ningi na sign to amnesty gete nga bono lioli ko taka to kwa biro ko enda gete ngoro gete ogire bako ganya kengere so maybe that is what is happening so we kirabu maiso toruete siasa ere ko chenjiri tukel moja serinde ko se 1 minute to 2 minutes
biamono taida wanzira bwase minto to tako leire familiarity breeds contempt omonto manyumono na bakonya wanzira korosia babisa it's a political strategy nere karo wasoka mapema na bogwa kwa makomo bwango bantu bakokole oyaruo mufano Muisa Kitui igari zaine mapema agacha takole timechenyebera akakwesi kando gete Mombasa alia ekorogunga everlasting scandal takweba perhaps Matiang'i having interacted na bana siasa abange he could be using that strategy yoko rairangora. Number 2, he could also be weighing options na bakonyoranga esabu ne ragete mpasa ko je bintu bisambe bono lende siasa na bago cha wekata benga anje ngateba egaro in case ya tebe mo taiko boli ne mobere rais go back down but again ende aroka naka go soka mapema obo mayane bolinga edosia ya na bago ego toka kero abantu mbabwata mangana you see yen siasa bono iga in media ndobwate endo ko nga profiling umana siasa liri kende kia mobere gosana makweli abaire profile ya engo chiere yacha bono konyoranga profile ya Matiang'i inazima asia tarabo mwanasiasa obaire in the elective seat ne bangire monto amanda batinga intelligence yakara kwa irwe position era very senior even at the county level igeko igole file yawo immediately ekari igole ile file area file bono omonto at the level ya Matiang'i omonto bunere file ya bono ijire ebenga ne bina gosengi kere ijire abago tebanga nkina kimoroje toko moirira koti gosengi kere ngekobora you toko misia so lende egente kina boga yakoletu nkororo mwana siasa maybe obere gosono mu MCA omojumbe ekaroli riki nagitayo pi omanya korogana ukora ame serikali kwamanya koyunga obugatiru nekina ngasa ati yatichi enjiri buya tanya kwakare na binto binde it is a political strategy gotumekwa aso okokanya makali na binto binde so perhaps that could be the reason among other reasons it's also a strategy akaro to rogana mona saba na inchi baba se kolan nonyanga no ebese to bugati buyego kosoko nyora matembele batana leti korubese okoro kibese cha ochinyinge kwagechigwa abantu mara bakuligelinga karo kwanga chibese kwagechigwa zibaro noko agencies kwa rosoro igate banga Matiang'i abwate ngiti mubuko akoso yimubuko koboko lirata akoso kebese yanga this is politics. What am I saying? Uno mogusin to expect a lot. Expectations shaiton to expect so much. People ask go to samba, but don't about the time. But again, and the tolen and toba casualties yabanene. Na aligere iria bantu bale serikali mona bago de anga mutare korati katora korabin do birbeta to nara mojumbo bomachoge borabu. Kago tebanga no tole serikali. Lakini rendo mwana ito na eranko boliale kolende myake yetikali tebere mwale korati ke serikali kokora magenda torakora bintu bibere bitatu tomanya kogenda igona bakonyo ebirengere libade bitachete moino na moino so telibobe so we should not over expect ndo tuwale birengere libinene mono nende yensiasa serikali yaro igere interested in retaining serikali yaro the aggressiveness ya serikali yaro ebwate. For the first time now, the president here weekend imeko mnyoka Nairobi as if there is nothing happening, as if Gen Z is imbayo. Tinchi etikora much opposition yaro kanet enyinge opposing the president. Lakini njerami nyoka te Nairobi okoranga omuungano yobo na Raila na omokonya te ko minyoka then omugandiria bajumbe kete bale Nairobi abakoranga ebiasara mbira. They are heavily interested in winning or retaining obora ibogo chimoto. So no more ayore kerogo no na SK Machari ata batanga Raila obaire ka kobwa koruisa alengo 1992 amotikerete Raila obaire na Raila buna atikere tubuno mwana kogongiga obaire nere liyo kana baro tubuna chikura cha chiko nyakogenda na Raila nchiraga na moltakarate statement yabegete iga akoro te batanga mokagete ngegente kana machiaso ke na inu karabi tema.
Thank you so much gago ase tokore gago ase ngetingo komenta delisio kwandre gago na aronero nyande kopakoro ya na sam nganchire tokore gago ase murubiri obwege karo obotko bware rotokote bambya mono gochiase bonsi bari bato bwatereire kuro ase chinka chabo na sensemo ye mitandao men have been watching rero aso kurigia kumanya sabari yumeshimi wa Raila gochibosio na kiego chikoba sobora ibwage siasa na aria ene kire kwane kyabuna serikali ya bono ya Kenya Kwanza nkonya already bagadio goikania obokora ribwa. Thank you so much Dennis Orioki, thank you so much Aaron Ototo na bego thank you so much Sama Miyendo Mwanchumo gere nchenkoro kwa Clinton Ondigi to merana nde Jumapili go cha somoroberio onde wege karatos kare yekoro ga chinsa inye konyorora mangana mayase mesa yekionga chinsa inye Wilfred Matundra nero tokonya kuromega yechi kamera abego mo director to Havila Kariri kure studio ya kabirone kya chibicha na maringo chara senchire rengi yake ndrakotoro borgerio.
Gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja ETV ya uwanje Tiaga Tembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 033 egoki nimrulu ao ya Getembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuri miensi ya Kenya, ilia Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, Wikanonya Zambia egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chemereka je Christmas amono guchingira ku mwaka muya iliwego kinemrulu yetu ao inyuranga nigo okonyora channel ya Getembe gwetera ase Zuku Satellite channel number 033 Getembe television